All right, another little fun exercise that we like to do. Again, lower level, almost like stage one core stability. I'm just going to ask the trunk to resist any type of rotational force. So we're going to use a band that's attached to a rig or a stable surface, or you can close it in a door frame. Doesn't bother me. I don't care. But I do want a band that's a little bit thicker, not too thick, but not the thin ones, because I want some resistance on this, because I want to challenge my trunk. A lighter band is just not going to do that. So something with a little bit more oomph, more girth to it. I'm going to take a few steps out. So there's a moderate tension on the band. I'm going to hold this here right to the center part of my chest. Nice athletic stance. I'm going to keep it right from the center of my chest. I'm going to keep my spine and my trunk tight as I simply punch it straight out, and I'm going to hold it. Once I hold it here, notice that I'm fighting the band's pull to rotate me to my left, your right. Right? So I'm resisting that, keeping it nice and stable as we're coming in and out. Now, if I have back pain, specifically on my right side, I'm kicking in my spinal erectors and all my stabilizers on my right side to resist this motion. So I want to keep it here as I'm pressing it out and I'm holding it and back in. You can appreciate that if I take a step out even further, there's more resistance. I'm going to challenge my spine just a little bit more. If it gets a little bit janky, a little bit troublesome, I just bring myself back in here. So it's less resistance, but I can still challenge myself to stop the rotation piece and give my spine the ability to keep itself as stable as possible. Okay, we're challenging it, not super loaded, but this is a good way to kind of introduce some spinal resistance or resistance training into our system so we can get to do the fun stuff like barbell deadlifts, heavy rows, upright rows, any kind. And then we can get to the fun stuff like the clean and jerks, the snatch, the really, really explosive stuff.